In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song Closed on Sunday by Kanye West with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Wait a second. That can't be right. Don't roll the intro. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and you heard correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lead the song, or play the song, I don't know if you'd actually lead it, Closed on Sunday by Kanye West. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here, but other than that, let's get into it. This song really only consists of two parts, and it's pretty short, so I'm going to show you the first part first, and then the second part after that, and I want to start by showing you the chords that we're going to play, and then I'll put the tab up for how we pick it after that. So here are the chords that we're going to play in this part. We've got a B minor here, and then we've got an E minor, F sharp 7, and a G. So those are the chords that we're going to play, but we're going to pick through those chords and add some extra things along the way. So let me show you that. The tab for these will be right here. Let's take it one chord at a time. Here's what we're going to do starting out on the B minor. So that's the first part. I only show half of the tab up here. We just repeat the same thing twice. So now to the E minor. The next part goes like this. To the F sharp major 7. To the G. Back to the E minor. Back to the F sharp major 7. And then back to the beginning. So that's what it sounds like. I played it slowly there. You can rewind if you need to. Now I'm going to play it full speed in context. It sounds like this. Closed on Sundays, you're my Chick-fil-A. Closed on Sundays, you my Chick-fil-A. Hold the selfies, put the gram away. Get your family, y'all hold hands and pray. When you got daughters, always keep them safe. Watch out for vipers, don't let them indoctrinate. So that's the main riff at the end of the first part of the song. We just switch things up slightly. I want to show that to you. It happens on this F sharp major 7. So instead of going, we're going to do this at the end. Follow Jesus, listen and obey. No more living for the culture, ain't nobody's slave. So slowly, that sounds like this. And then that's going to lead us into part 2. So let's go to the second part. Here we are in the second part of the song, and we just came out of that F sharp 7, and we're going to go up to the B minor up here. So I'm going to show you the chords again. There's the B minor, and then we're also going to play like an E minor. Just like that. Now, this is what the tab looks like for this part. I'll play it slowly. We just came out of to the E minor. So, in context, that part sounds like this. Stand up for my home, even if I take this walk alone. I bow down to the king upon the throne. My life is his, I'm no longer my own. And it goes from there and just repeats over and over again. Congratulations, you just learned how to play the song Closed on Sunday by Kanye West. Thanks so much for joining me today. My name's Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. If you don't know who I am, I post practical worship leading tips every single day over on Instagram and Facebook and here on YouTube. So go follow me at Leading Worship Well on Instagram and Facebook. And if you haven't hit subscribe down below yet, hit subscribe down below so you don't miss out on future worship leading videos. But other than that, until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.